Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are using Firefox, and especially if you're using Firefox and are having some issues, there are a bunch of crash fixes that have been applied. So there was an update that was 1.14.0.1, and on late on June 20th, and of course still being released, we have a new update which is 1.14.0.2. And this is a fix for bugs that makes the browser crash in different ways. So if you go into the upper hamburger menu, Help, and Firefox, you'll see that you'll be pushed to 1.14.0.2. No security updates, so it's not an important update if you don't have any issues. And if you use Firefox anyways, it will update itself on its own. But apparently a lot of people have been reporting crashes with Firefox and the last version 1.14. So 0.01 fixed a certain number of crashes, and now 0.02 fixes another amount of crashes. So if you have issues, I think this might actually fix all of the problems. Apart from that, nothing new. It's really just bug fixes and no security updates. Somebody was asking me why Firefox doesn't have as many security updates as Google Chrome. It's a different engine, and because it's not used as much as Google Chrome and Chromium browsers, we see it all the time that security often has a lot to do with one of the things that is simply numbers game. The more you are popular, the more people want to attack you and find flaws. Well, Firefox being in very low number and not that many people using it, it's probably less attractive to, start trying to find any flaws in it. And it's a different engine, so maybe it's the way it's actually designed also. But, there's flaws on every software. It's just that probably less people are taking the time to look at Firefox. But it doesn't necessarily mean it's more secure, but it technically could be, simply because it's a different engine than Chromium, which is the one that is attacked the most. So bug fixes, if your Firefox crashes, well, maybe this will fix it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.